Welcome to MetroNet! Now that you're signed up for service, it's time for you to complete the installation, and this video will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Your self-install kit should contain these items: an Ethernet cable, the ONT with adapter, an alcohol pad, the fiber jumper, and the Zyxel router. This video covers the self-installation steps for users with a wall plate that looks like this. If your wall plate looks like either of these, please consult the written directions included with your self-installation kit. First, locate the bulkhead connector and remove the black dust cap. Remove the dust cap from one end of the fiber jumper and clean the fiber tip with the alcohol pad. Wipe the fiber jumper once and allow 15 seconds to dry. Next, connect the fiber jumper to the bulkhead connector. Using the other end of the fiber jumper included in your box, clean the fiber tip with the alcohol pad and plug the tip into the PON port on the ONT, also included in the box. Warning: do not look into the light in the fiber jumper. This can cause permanent eye damage. If you have internet-only services, plug the ONT into a power outlet, press the on-off button to on, and wait for it to load. This will take up to 10 minutes, after which the power and PON lights will turn green. Lastly, let's cover setting up your wireless router and connecting to Wi-Fi. Begin by unpacking the router. Connect the power cord into the DC in port on the router, and the other end to an outlet, then power on. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable into the blue WAN port on the router, and the other end into the yellow Ethernet port on the ONT. Wait until the power light on the front of the router is solid. Finally, to connect to your Wi-Fi, access the secure wireless network using the network name and the password displayed on the back of the router. Here's an example of the label on the back of your wireless router. One final thought: if you'd like to hardwire your internet to your computer, connect the Ethernet cable directly from your PC to the router in Ethernet port 1 through 4. Please note, for faster speeds, connect to the wireless network ending in _5GHz. If you need assistance setting up your set-top box or DVR, please refer to the written instructions included in your kit. We hope this video has helped you successfully self-install your MetroNet services. If you have any questions, our 24/7 technical support team is here to help. Give them a call at 844-684-0215. Thank you for choosing MetroNet.